What is up, guys? It is Squid. I am doing a different kind of video today because this guy sent me something in the mail. I already know what it is, but you guys don't. Came in this good old NVA Rider. It says do not bend. For the record, they kind of had it bent in the mailbox, but you know, what are you gonna do? Let me grab my letter opener. I'm playing. It's not sharp at all. It's duller and shit. What I got this for? Just gonna give a good little shlick down the side here. Please bear with me. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. I don't normally do unboxings, but I might do more if this one does well, honestly. Just gonna nicely pull it out. Second piece. Probably just some tape. No. Ooh, screws. Hell yeah. Okay, I might not be able to put it together at this second. Alright. Pretty sure legs go like this, right? Or like this. Oh, yeah, I'm smart. Like this. I was right the first time. Okay, let me grab a screwdriver, be right back. Okay, I got my little screwdriver. I did a trial leg just so I know I wouldn't mess it up. I know what I'm doing now, I promise. At least I really hope I promise. I don't know, man. So it should sit like that, if I'm not mistaken. It'll look really good next to my record player, which is a Victrola. I'll show a finished product here in a second. I'm just going to push that through a little bit. Line it up. Oh, it's hard as hell to do this on camera and get it done right. Come on. Might be cross-threaded, but cross-threaded is better than Loctite sometimes. Am I right? Ta-da! I am a smart man for once. He gave you 2 extra screws, which is cool of him. I have a couple of chips here, one from Hot Rod Harley Muskegon and Mackinac City from Zips. Ta-da! See? That's how she works. And then if you want to like pop it out, just poke it from the back. Ta-da! Works really good, NVA Rider. Appreciate you sending me one out. I at least owe you a beer or something, man. I know I'm just a guinea pig today, but I owe you something, my dude. Let me know. Hope y'all have a good one. Definitely check him out here or on his Instagram. Yes, on his Instagram. There you go. Hell yeah. Just check him out. YouTube and Instagram. I'll link them below as well. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this. Hope y'all enjoyed. Have a good day and keep the rubber side down.